Thank you. And it's a hard sight to see for many in Greenville County affected by last night's tornado. We've seen crews out all day long working to get homes and businesses back up and running with power, and families have been cleaning up their yards all day, as you can see. Although many are surrounded by complete devastation in some parts of the county, many are choosing to remain hopeful. Fox Carolina's Jarvis Robertson is joining us live from Burgundy Drive in Greenville County, one of the hardest hit areas right now. And Jarvis, I know you were saying you didn't even recognize some houses because they were just, destroyed.
Well, that's absolutely right, Shell. In this community, I've heard chainsaws all throughout the day and also heavy machinery trying to clean things up and get life back to normal for these families. You can see right here, this tree is uprooted. We're looking at the roots and it's fallen over in this yard, and it's surrounding this yard, a lot of those trees. One thing's for sure, this is definitely a shocking sight to see.
That log right there is on top of my bed. Just watch your step.
Another spring storm leaving behind yet more tornado debris, this time in Greenville County.
And then we heard the alarms go off on our cell phones.
I was at the side door looking out at the rain and the hail and everything, and then all of a sudden it stopped, and I could see the cyclone in the parking lot.
You can see this tree in the backyard of Daniel Doherty, knocked over by the EF2 tornado. Here's how the back room looks. A hole in the ceiling, insulation scattered over the room.
It totally just demolished a brand new air conditioner system. That was like $5 grand.
For Robert Titus, a hard pill to swallow, knowing the outcome could have been different if he had gone to bed for the night.
That's a 30-inch log laying on my bed, and I would have been under it.
And through all of this, his 61st birthday is Monday. Unfortunately, there won't be much of a celebration.
No birthday dinner tonight. Nothing like that. We're going to work till dark. We'll get it all cleaned up.
For those who live on Burgundy Drive, it's all about picking up the remaining pieces, which they seem optimistic in doing so.
My mom always said that's behind you, and it is. It's behind me. I can't worry about what happened last night.
Well, the Lord takes care of us. Someone was watching over us last night.
And back out here live, you're looking at one of the many debris piles that's scattered along Burgundy Drive and this community. At last check on the Duke Energy website, there were just under 900 people without power. Fortunately, no one was injured from this tornado. Reporting live on Burgundy Drive tonight, I'm Jarvis Robertson, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.